Hello and welcome back to the vlog. It's good to see you again. We're in Cambodia. It is another beautiful day, and this time we're in Siem Reap, and today we're going to check out the Angkor Wat temple. Okay, so we just arrived at Angkor Wat. We rented a tuk-tuk for the day for $15, which is so cheap. But we just got our tickets now. You have to get your picture taken for your tickets, and ours look like mugshots. All the temples that I've ever been to, and I've always wanted to get a portrait picture of a monk in this environment. And Lauren will be able to tell you, it's just never happened. So I just thought I'd ask. I don't know what the etiquette is for asking a monk for a picture.
I told them not to.
Yeah, Lauren didn't want me to, but I just thought I'd ask. But anyway, it was wicked. I can't wait to edit it. There's loads of temples in the Angkor Wat complex, and it's time to head to the next one. And we're actually 10 minutes late for when we told our tuk-tuk driver we'd be back, so it's time to go. Temple number 2 is called the Face Temple, and it's like an actual maze. There's just corridors going every which way. I nearly lost Lauren for about 5 minutes before. We're at the top of temple number 3. That's pretty wicked. We've actually just bumped into 2 people that we met on the bus yesterday. This is Lindsay and Alexi.
Oh yeah, hey guys.
This is the statue of the lying down Buddha. See his face, it's about here. But anyway, it's definitely time for lunch. All this temple exploring is thirsty work. And that's it. That's all the time we've got here today. It's time to head back to the hostel. I'm hoping that one day I will be able to make a vlog where I'm not this sweaty. Hopefully. Okay, overall, I think Angkor Wat was wicked. Very touristy, but still good. And I think if we had more time here, we'd probably go back tomorrow and get bicycles and check out the lesser known spots, because there's got to be temples there that are quieter. But I think we're going to end the vlog here today, so please like if you haven't already and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next vlog.